Today we are going to be starting our rough draft. You need to go to your research directions slides that is in your Google Drive and go to slide number 6. Pause this video until you get there. Okay, once you are on slide number 6, this is going to give you directions on how to do your rough draft. All right, the first thing you're going to need to do is open up a new Google document so you can format your paper. Oops, wrong thing. New Google document. And when you get there, you are going to name it up in the upper left-hand corner. Go ahead and do your last name and then rough draft. Okay, once you do that, you're going to flip back over to your directions and you're going to click the link that says formatting the first page of your paper. This is going to give you directions on how to set up your MLA formatting. It must be in MLA, so look at this example below and then follow these step-by-step instructions to set up the formatting. Okay, that's what you need to do first. Then what you're going to do after you have all of your formatting done is you are going to start looking at your outline and weaving it into actual body paragraphs. One way that you can do that is by using signal phrases to introduce your sources and each new paragraphs. If you're not sure how to do that or want some examples, you can watch this YouTube video. It just gives you a few examples on how to introduce your quotes or your paraphrases. Okay. Also make sure that your in-text citations are correct as you're going. Please don't change anything. It should just be either the author's last name or the title of the article. Okay. You also then need to change your source list to a works cited page. It should be the last page of your Google document. And make sure that it's in alphabetical order and all of those things. If you want to double check, you can also Google OWL Purdue MLA 8 works cited page. And then it will give you a visual example of what it should look like once it is completely typed up. So this right here, see how everything is in alphabetical order. The second line is a hanging indent. If you're not sure how to get that hanging indent, Google it. But every source that you use in your paper should be included on the works cited page. Okay. After you finish that, take a look at the example final paper and just overall see if your paper, first of all, looks like that as far as formatting goes. If you have incorporated all of your sources correctly, if you have at least 7 in-text citations, making sure the periods are at the right place, making sure you have direct quotes. But it's very important that not only you look at that example to compare yours to, but you also want to look at the rubric, again, that your final paper is going to be graded on. It's the same one that we looked at the other day when we read through some student examples, but just kind of go through it and use it as a checklist for your rough draft. So today, your job is to start that rough draft, format it, start typing it, start weaving your information into paragraphs from your outline, and start making a works cited page. Your rough draft is going to be due at the end of class on Wednesday, and then Thursday we are going to be doing some revisions. So do not submit anything today. Tomorrow we'll finish it up and I'll show y'all how you'll end up submitting to do the revisions on Thursday.